Hey, Rod, Broken Nickel Garage. Another tip. Doing brake jobs. Sometimes these anchor bolts to pull the anchor plate off of the axle, well, they're usually got Loctite on them, and they can be a bit of a bugger. So what I like to do, I use my MAP gas torch. We'll put some heat on it. Get that bolt nice and warm, let that heat transfer into the threads a bit and soften up that Loctite. Of course, be cautious with the flame. You don't want to heat something that you're not supposed to. Yourself, your fingers, your nose, something on the vehicle. Alright, let's get a ratchet on here, see if I can get positioned with that camera in the way. Oh, that was so much easier. Yeah, heat is great when used correctly. Soften up that Loctite and life is good. Thank you.